Hello, Sean at MBI. This is your very fabulous and rare T50-26 booster getting ready to be tested. I've got the camera set on macro, so these long shots will be a little fuzzy, but here's the my incredibly cool brake booster testing machine that I restored, and it's from the 50s. Anyway, what we're going to do first is the hydraulic without vacuum. And what we have here is the input hydraulic and the output. And what happens is this gauge goes up, maxes out, and this gauge takes over. We reach our maximum input, and our output is shown here. This gauge goes up, maxes out, and then this one will take over. And we will do the test real quick. This is the master cylinder. We've got our valve closed, and we maxed out on input, and we jump over to output, and we've got output that's about the same as input, about 350. That's to be expected because it's just a 1-to-1 boost ratio. Fluid going in, fluid coming out. Now what we're going to do is add vacuum. Let's release our pressure here. Now we're going to add our vacuum component, and we've got the vacuum line hooked up to the test port back here, and our vacuum coming off the front of the booster. And what we're going to do is this is what's called our constant, and this will read 21 inches theoretically, or whatever my pump can put out all the time. And as we apply the booster, this gauge, which will read the same as this gauge, will then start to go to 0, and when we have reached 0, we have got maximum application of our booster. So we will do that test right now. Application of our booster, and we come over here, and we again have maxed out at 350 psi input, but this time we are running about 1600 psi output, which is about what it's supposed to be. Now we will cycle it. Do it another time, back to 0. Now we come down here and check our booster for leaks, and also at our air filter. Put our hand over this, make sure we got no leaks there through the diaphragm inside, and run it again one more time. That, my friend, is a badass booster. You got at least, I believe the published figures are 4.2 to 1 boost ratio. Anyway, you got a fabulous booster, should give you years of service, and thank you very much.